Viva Market Update 2023, the first episode for the market update. Um, we got some good news and some good news as well. The good news is that the fear ingredient index actually went up a little bit. You can see there's the new momentum in the market. A lot of people are starting to becoming very positive. I wouldn't say bullish, but very positive because people are getting the sense of that okay, we might drop a little bit more or even a lot, but the future is looking very bright because there's a lot of great companies, uh, investment banks, and so on and so forth that actually starting to invest right now on uh, on the technology, on the blockchain technology, which is, at the same time, it kind of gives us as the we part of the crypto market. It gave us that sense of okay, all these scams, all this bad press, all the stuff that is happening in the market for the crypto market. It's not that the crypto, fell. It's that the bad companies, the scammers, the companies that they were just for a quick scheme or for they created a Ponzi scheme, something. They just being washed out. That's what I said way before. If you guys remember, I said, it will be a time that this the whole market needs to get cleaned up because it has, as we see, there's a lot of scams. A lot of people lost money. I lost money. Um, you know, this year, I don't see it. We're being a very bullish year. I don't see it. There's no incentive right now, but at the same time, it's just the blockchain, the crypto is getting adopted and the next level, the level that we want it to be. The companies that are actually very established, they're actually starting to adopt crypto, and no one is talking about. So I'm not going to go ahead and kind of show up the news. I'm going to do another video just to do like a summary of what's going on in the crypto market and kind of give us a little bit of this positive energy for people to actually know, okay, 2023 might be bad or it might be so for us to get ready for 2024. Yeah, guys. So let's see fear and greed. Last month was 26, last week 27, yesterday was 27, and right now it's 26. So it's kind of staying hovering between 25, 26. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. We've been pretty far below, but who knows how far we'll actually go down. All right, so let's go and see what's going on with our beloved Bitcoin. She's been holding pretty good. So I'm gonna do some cleanup just very quick here. So I want you because I noticed one thing that Bitcoin is actually doing. We've been consolidated for the last time I did a video. We actually looking at, so you guys don't miss more that, we're looking at daily time frame and just gonna do some quick some we're doing some quick analysis here what's going on in the price in the daily time frame. So you guys can see we've been consolidating since November 10th, 2022. So we've been pretty consistent on this consolidating. We've been hitting to 15 and they hit 17. So we've been there. So right now, I'm seeing we're kind of staying there for a couple more days, probably a couple more weeks. If anything, any positive news comes out, or we come and retest the 17, or if any bad news comes out, so we'll probably come back and retest the 15. And if it doesn't hold the 15, as I said before, we we're definitely going down. We go way deeper than 15. So right now, it doesn't mean if you're a trader, if you're trading crypto, doesn't mean you can't trade crypto right now. So right up now, you would have definitely enter right over here. So and then just get off right here, and then same thing. You know, consolidating. This is the game. The game of consolidating. You enter the top, you short at the top, and you're long at the bottom. But as you know, crypto is very volatile, so you really gotta know what you're doing. All right, so this is on a daily time frame. Let's take a look on a weekly time frame. Let's see if the same thing is happening. Yeah, to here on a weekly time frame, what I'm seeing a very I'm seeing yeah, if I'm not wrong. That's actually what we're seeing right here, guys. We're seeing a formation of a bear flag, which means um we might get I would let me just not go too far. It might scare you guys. So probably come back and retest the 15 again. You know, if it doesn't hold it, if it doesn't do beloved double bottom and then come back and retest the 17. So, you know, expect for us to go even deeper than that. Probably if the 15 doesn't hold, we'll probably just do this. Come retest the 15,700 and then look for a different support so we can rest for a bit. So all right guys. So on a weekly time frame, we forming a bear flag and a let's take a look on a monthly time frame. Let's see what we have. And I wasn't very positive on the monthly time frame if you guys look on the last video because I was seeing something very bearish on a weekly time frame. So we started a brand new month right now. So and last month, guys, that's what I was fearing. We are very bearish. We're very bearish. If we get, that's what I told you guys. We'll probably get a pull back. Like it will be really small pullback, and then come down. The next stop, what I'm seeing, a monthly time frame is very clear. It kind of tells you right now. So the next one that will be probably hopefully will be 13, and then come back and retest the 15, so you can solidify it. Or if doesn't hold, so we could also just come through and retest the 17 and give us a little bit of breathe. I don't. That's just we're dreaming right here. So that's definitely what's not going to happen. So we'll probably just do this, and then you know come back down to 11. So what I'm saying is the price if it doesn't hold the 15, so we're looking at 13,000, 13,600. So that's what I'm seeing. The price of Bitcoin coming down to it. So let's take a look at a lower time frame. Let's take a look at 12 hours to see where we are. We're definitely, I believe we're still consolidating. We yeah, right here, 12 on the 12 time frame as well. We're consolidating. We'll look at a 6 hour. Yeah, we consolidated in a 4 hour time frame. It's, I believe we're doing the same thing because you know we had a oversold right here on the RSI, right over here, overbought. You can see, and you know the price didn't move much. It's like it didn't move much. You know, definitely expected to go lower than what it did, but he didn't. So this is very it's interesting. The price we consolidating. So normally that's what happened when you consolidate. It just stays in between points, right? So if we go lower, let's take a look at 1 hour time frame. might see some great opportunity here. So when you go, you see, that's the thing. When in a higher time frame, you're consolidating. So we might find great trading opportunities in a lower time frame. So what we got here, what I'm seeing right here is, we definitely did, yeah, definitely got a double top right here. So there was a double top just happened. It just happened, I guess, a couple last week, right? So definitely, I think I caught that. I think last video, I believe I caught that. So you would take your profit right here. Your first target, but will be definitely be here, and then you can take your next down. Will probably be right there, and now we having a pullback. A pullback probably do that. So you definitely would continue and probably come over to 16,500. That's the next target if you want to kind of short the market. Um, yeah. So if you go even lower, there's you can find great opportunities to either to long the market or to short the market in a short term, right? So guys, this is it. This is not much happening more the BTC charts. You know, BTC is consolidating. So doesn't mean you can't make money on this market when it's consolidating. You know that you just gotta pay attention. Gotta really pay attention so you can find great opportunities. For instance, I call out this one when we did a double bottom as well, right here. You really you would kind of you would enter right here and just, you know, yeah, a great run in there. And then if you were paying attention, you could kind of get out. But at the same time, guys, we might do this. We might do this and do a double top, and then come back in and retest the 15. So there's still opportunity that the market might come up to 17,000, and then you can short the market then. So for those traders that actually trading on the market, I'm not trading right as of now. I'm not trading crypto. I'm not trading crypto. I will be enter soon because I think there's something coming. There's something coming that I still have to finalize my research. So, guys, this is it. That's market is consolidating, and we'll keep. I'll keep watch and see if there's any other opportunities for you guys can take a look in terms of trading. But what I'm really seeing, guys, is that the market we did a double bottom right here, and he pushed all the way up to 17. And what I'm seeing, the pullback is actually kind of stabilizing between 16,000. So that might signal that we might get a push up and then push down. Because if you take a look, if you just go back, we're still on the daily time frame. If you go back, uh, the the resistance on this level is just ridiculous, guys. Right over there, if you can see, right over here, right there, you have right there. Let's push it back a little further. Oh, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back, guys. Let's go back. Let's go. Right here. Yeah, you can see. Look at that. Look at that. It's just ridiculous. The resistance there is ridiculous. It will take some great news, or the feds might incentivize the market, inject some liquidity or something. But yes, this is very, very strong to resistant. Look at that. Since we have some support right here as well. So at this level, I don't see it right of now. It doesn't mean that it might not happen between this week, because anything can happen in the market. But right now, guys, I can tell you guys the support, the resistance is very strong. So it will take it will take something. You would take LMS probably just to give us some great news for us to push all the way there. All right, guys. Hopefully this market update, we actually just keep it very simple. We just keep it with Bitcoin. If you guys want me to introduce or start doing Ethereum or other altcoins, just let me know. So hopefully this help you for this week. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated in the next video, guys.